Hey guys, it's your girl Ashley if you're new to my channel. What's up? So today I have a unboxing. Well, it's already unboxed, but I want to show you guys a box that I have received from Sigma. Now, disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video. They were kind enough to send me this package for me to try out their products and give an honest review. They're not paying me for this. Just send me these items. I'm not going to be reviewing them today. I just want to go ahead and show you guys what I received. Later on, I want to, try the products and then give you my honest review. So, let me just show you guys what I received in this Sigma box. So, first of all, I got this almost a couple weeks ago. And when I first saw it, I thought it was the BoxyCharm box because it kind of looks the same. But it's not. It says Sigma on it. And let me show you guys all the goody good stuff that I received. So the first item I have is this Sigma Solid Makeup Brush Cleanser. Now, when I first started getting into makeup, I remember Sigma having like the best makeup brushes and having like all the brush cleaners and stuff like that. So I'm really excited because I am so lazy when it comes to cleaning my brushes. Like, I love getting new brushes, but I hate having to clean them because I just have so many, as you guys can see right there. And yeah, so this you're supposed to just kind of like put it in the sink or somewhere wherever you do your makeup, and then you can just do your thing. That's why in the back it has these little like suckers, you can say. I don't know how you would call them, but yeah, it has this. So if you follow me on Instagram, you'll probably see me using it there. And then obviously I'll give you guys a review later on. I have the Warm Neutral Volume 2 Eyeshadow Palette. When you open it up, here are the beautiful colors inside. I love the fact that there's some mattes and there's some shimmers. Super pretty. Here are the swatches. You guys can see, I'm sorry for the unevenness that there's going on here, but there is some mattes, there is some shimmers, and I love the fact that there's like neutrals, and there's also some smoky colors that you can use, so you can definitely do different looks like day to night and all of that. So I'm digging this. I also received a blush here. I love their packaging. Like, look at this. Isn't this cute? It's like really big. It has Sigma. It has the silver. When you open it up, there's also a mirror, which is really cute. But I actually really like this color. I've been into like pink blushes lately, and I love how it's so much product in here. Like, I don't think I own any blush that's like this size. Like, that's a lot of product for a blush, right? But let me go ahead. This is in the color Aurora. Well, would this be Aurora powder? Like, I don't know. Look at this is what it says in the back. So yeah, but let me just do a little swatch. This is what it looks like on my finger. I don't think I grabbed enough, but where do I put it? Here. There you go. That's what it looks like. I also received a eyeliner. So this is a liquid pencil eyeliner. Well, pen, not pencil. So I love the fact that it has a fine tip, so my eyeliner won't be like too thick but not too thin either. So let me show you guys what this looks like. You see? There you go. I got some liner. I also got this, what is this? Sinuosity. I don't even know. You guys already know that I can't speak. But I got a mascara. Gotta love mascaras. Oh, okay. That is the applicator for the mascara. I'm not used to seeing like this kind of applicator for mascara. Usually they're like super like big, the brushes and all, but this one's like micro, little. But it's in black, so I'll let you know about that. They also send me a lipstick. This is the Clover Power Stick. I love their packaging. Like, I'm pretty obsessed with their packaging. And look at that beautiful lipstick. It has the Sigma print on the side. I don't know if my camera will capture that, but super pretty. I'm obsessed with their packaging. And I love, like, look at this is a pretty big lipstick. Like, the packaging in itself, like, it's gonna be hard to lose this baby. They also sent me 3 brushes. So this one here is the small tapered blending. This is the E45. So it's really cute, pointy tip. Love that. They also send me, this is the F8. Did you hear that? This is the F80 Air Flat Kabuki brush. Reminds me of the MAC one that I kind of have, but obviously it's a little bit thicker. But the bristles are very soft. Can't wait to use this. And I'm sorry if you guys can see my crusty, dry hands, but I gotta do what I gotta do, okay? But anyways, this is the E54 brush. This is the medium sweeper, so this is good for eyeshadow. But yeah, that's basically everything that I received from Sigma. Thank you so much for sending me these items. Thank you so much for sending these items for me to go ahead and try out and give an honest review. If you guys do already use Sigma, I do have a code that you guys can use to get 10% off. I'll go ahead and I'll put it down below in the description box. Every item that I have received as well, I'll go ahead and I'll put it in the description box in case you guys are interested in trying it out yourself. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Comment down below. You guys know that I love to interact with you guys. Let me know what video you guys want me to do next, or so on, or what was your favorite item that you think that I received, or did you try any of these items already? Let me know down below. You're more than welcome to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. I post little previews of what I'm filming and things like that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.